I have two good friends who were just unbelievable. One of them in particular had lost her father to pancreatic cancer, and she set up a website where people could go to for information, for updates, for offers of assistance. And my other friend, Bev, she set up a foundation to channel people just wanted to give something. They were desperate to help on one hand and to give. And so at first we were overwhelmed with baskets of food or sandwiches or whatever, and it was just very overwhelming. So having, as I say, this one friend set up the foundation to be able to say, okay, if you want to give money, please channel it via NTIF. And the other, if you desperately want to help, this is the list of chores that could be done. Or, the kids really, the two younger ones, it would be great if somebody could take them to the movies. It would be wonderful if, somebody could take them shopping because they need sneakers or whatever. So those two really stick in my mind.